Today we will start Python if statement. Python supports the usual logical conditions from mathematics like equals, like equals a double equal to b, not equals a not equal to b. Next less than a less than b. Next less than or equal to a less than or equal to b. Next greater than a greater than b. Next greater than or equal to a greater than or equal to b. So these conditions can be used in several ways. Most commonly in if statements, most commonly used in if statements and loops. An if statement an if statement is written by using the if keyword. Which keyword? If keyword. I will show you an example. A equal to 33. Next B equal to 200. Next write if statement. If B greater than A, this is condition. Next to writing print statement. Print of double quotation open B is greater than A. This is example statement example. Next click enter. Again enter. Output will become B is greater than A. So in this example we use two variables A and B, which are used as part of the if statement to test whether B is greater than A. Whether B is greater than A. As A is 33 and B is 200. We know that 200 is greater than 33, and so we print the screen that B is greater than A. This if statement example.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.